this is our new, brand spanking new, we have them in stock in our warehouse, the Eagle Alloys 4025M battery machine. And what does that represent? Well, it's simple. The 40 represents it'll burn 40 stick electrodes, the 20 represents 20 1/8 stick electrodes, and the 5 represents it'll burn 5 532 electrodes. In our test with this unit, we ran it for roughly an hour and 20 minutes running gasless 035 wire on one charge. You might think it has insufficient power. This is straight DC power. So if you had this machine in a different room and these leads coming under a door, you would not know that you're welding on a battery machine. You load it up, you put your 5 kg spool of gasless wire in here, you run it through the drive rolls, you feed your gun, and you're welding. You need no gas, you need no power source. You can lug it around wherever you want to go, whether you're on a roof or in a field, or it doesn't matter. 100% portable. Synergistic means the wire speed is adjusted automatically when you adjust your volts. So if you're going up or down, it automatically adjusts the speed that your wire is going to come out. So it really is plug and play. If you don't like the synergistic mode, there is an option here with the click of a button. Boom, you push on that and it goes to separate. So what that means is you will control all the settings, the wire speed, the volts, really fine tune it for whatever piece of steel you're working on. We warranty it for 12 months or 300 charges, whichever one comes first. The unit itself is rated for 3,000 charges. So what that means is that it'll guarantee that there's 3,000 charges that exceed 80% of the battery life. So we're talking 10 years if you're charging it almost every other day. The gun that comes with the machine is all Tweco style. So they're Tweco parts, the intermix, so you're not gonna spend a fortune on any of the consumables, your tips or your diffusers. You just plug it into your regular wall outlet, hour and a half to 2 hours, and you're gonna be fully charged, ready to go. Today we're gonna be running 035 with this machine. That's what it comes set up to do. It has an 045 liner. So if you do want to run some bigger wire, you can. You're just going to need to put a new tip on. Like I said, consumables are very easy to get with this unit. Very light, 53 pounds, and truly portable. Get it set up, turn it on, and you're welding. We can pack this around and make tacks all day or do any type of portable welding, any type of maintenance welding. We're ready to go.
Well, we hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button for us. And if you want to see more, please subscribe and ring that bell so you're the first to be notified when a new video comes out.